Hey, buddy, it's Robb Moffett. Good morning. You know, I read somewhere that the people who are staying at home in quarantine, they're gaining a lot of weight. They've all gained on an average about 5 pounds, and I think I'm average. But I want to tell you, I know what's giving me those pounds. I've been eating a lot of pizza bread. I make this pizza bread at home. It's delicious. It's that's what I'm calling it. I don't know what you call it, but this is what I call it. This is some bread that I make at home with topping, and I put in my toaster oven. Actually, I don't put this in toaster. I put it in the microwave. Let me show you what's going on here. I get some chicken sausages I got at the dollar store back on March 8th when I heard the calamity was coming. I got all my groceries ahead of time, and I got some chicken sausages. And they're easy to make. You can boil them or fry them or bake them. And I put these in the microwave. 1.5 minutes, 2 minutes. This is bread I've been making at home. It's no-knead bread. Makes these little square, they're kind of like English muffins. And when you toast them, they make perfect little sandwiches. But I've been putting these in the microwave with some topping, getting real quick, easy peasy. And put the sausage on one side. Then put a little tomato sauce. This is just good old canned spaghetti sauce. And nothing special. Now, put some mushrooms from the can. I didn't have any fresh left or frozen. And actually, they're not bad. They're pretty decent, actually. I do kind of like the other more exotic mushrooms. These are just the plain button mushrooms, but they're still delicious. And they're good for you. Put some pepperoni, because if it's pizza, it's got to have some pepperoni, don't it? And I don't have any mozzarella, so I'm just using some sharp cheddar cheese on my pizza bread. Why not? And some olives. I generally like the green salad olives, but these black ones will do fine. You got to have some olives. And now a little spice, a little parsley, garlic powder, some Italian seasoning, and you're ready to go. And you're just going to heat everything up in the microwave, and boom, you're done. Boom, you're done. Boom, you're done. This makes a delicious meal, and it's gained me about 5 pounds. It's real easy to make. It's quick to make, and I tell you what, I'm getting hungry. Guys, I hope this is something that might pique your interest, and I'll leave a video up real soon how to make that little bread I make, no-knead bread, in toaster oven. And hope that's something you like. I've been putting on new stuff every day, or every week for years now. Got about 800 videos on all sorts of subjects. Bunch of cool people I featured on my channel, no relation to me. And I got a playlist of cooking videos, of videos I've made and also people that cook that have made things I like old Chef Buck and some other people. All right, guys, hope this is something helpful to you, and y'all don't gain too many pounds. All right, take care. See you out there.